from jakethesstockguy.com. Let's get right into today's video. Daily profit and loss recap. Today, total loss of $83.83. Traded SPY, Microsoft, so CY and UPST. Took that at the end of the day. So what I want to do is, first of all, just say, hey, if you're new to the channel, I post videos like this every single day. Be sure to like, click the thumbs up button on the video. You know how to do it. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified every time I make a new video. I think you guys are going to really enjoy this educational content. I try to weave in a little education every time I go through the daily profit and loss. So this is the small account challenge day 6. Yeah, small account challenge day 6. You can see here in our private Slack group, I gave an alert this morning. Microsoft, Tesla, PayPal. I actually ended up not giving an alert for PayPal. I ended up doing it for SPY because it's Monday. So Tesla, 1029, 950 call, target 970, 975. Yeah, it exceeded those and beyond. SPY, we traded that as a lotto scalp. That worked out pretty well. And then Microsoft. So let's just go through what happened today really quick. I'm going to make this video extremely quick, but really nice gap up, falling wedge, breakout right to the first target, back down, another ascending or falling wedge, boom, breakout to this target, and again, ascending wedge, boom, breakout, sideways. It kept doing this like all day, you know. It was like 1, 2, 3, and 4 times we could have taken Tesla for God knows how much money. So it was just an awesome day for Tesla. Unfortunately, I didn't take the trade. I missed it. I was pretty bummed about it. I was busy watching Microsoft and SPY, and I was expecting a little bit more of a sell-off to fill this gap and retest it, but no, we were just off to the races like immediately. Closed today, 62 million shares traded. Tesla. I think Elon Musk is going to become like the first trillionaire or something. Microsoft. We had this sell-off here in the first thing in the morning. I stopped out, negative 20%. Repositioned. It was nice. It kind of made its way all the way back up to kind of where it opened. So I think it was up 10-20% somewhere in here. Close that, and then SPY. Yeah, so real quick guys, Microsoft, I'm on the 5-minute time frame on the 10-day. If I zoom in here, you can see a couple of things happening. Big sell-off right through this floor, right through this 50-day simple moving average on the 5-minute time frame, through this level of support, all the way down to this 305.51. But if I zoom out a little bit further, and say, hey, look, here's some really nice support here. Just I was in the wrong trade, honestly. You know, given the fact that Tesla was such a winner. Hey, what are you gonna do? Sometimes it happens, but it would be hilarious if we get a big runner tomorrow on Microsoft. You know, to some of these areas. But I don't like holding overnight. I just like day trading. And then SPY, great trade on SPY. I caught the bottom of SPY, and then I rode it up to here, sold, re-entered, sold, and then I ended up not taking it on the breakout here. But yeah, that was 2 trades. 1 and then 2. If I would have taken Tesla, it would have been just an easy $2,000, $4,000 day. But hey, what are you gonna do? Live to trade another day, guys. Keep your losses small. When you lose, keep them small. It's only $83 loss. It's nothing, you know. The last Friday I made 800. So just you want to keep your losses small. You want to keep your wins big, or you want to keep your wins small. That's how you continue to grow, and you build that discipline over and over and over. Anyway, guys, if you're interested, I run a private Slack group where I give alerts and picks every morning that pay the bills. You can go to jakestockguy.com and sign up. We have a free daily newsletter. We also have the options alert signal, which is the service for the access to the private Slack. We also offer an options trading masterclass. If you guys are a member, thanks so much for being a member. I really do appreciate it. God bless, and I'll see you on the charts.